Get ready for the wildest, most unexpected battle of the animal kingdom. In Clash of the Critters, farm animals versus jungle beasts, ultimate showdown, the peaceful barnyard meets the untamed wilderness in an epic sandbox showdown. Watch as cows, pigs, and chickens face off against lions, tigers, and monkeys in a hilarious and action-packed struggle for dominance. Who will reign supreme? Will the farm animals' teamwork and ingenuity outsmart the raw power and cunning of the jungle beasts?
Roosters have vibrant, colorful plumage, including a glossy red comb on top of their head and wattles beneath their beak. Roosters are territorial animals. They often crow to announce their dominance over a specific area, especially to warn other roosters or animals to stay away from their territory or flock.
Chickens have over 30 different vocalizations that they use to communicate with one another, from warning of danger to calling for food. Every chicken has a unique set of footprints, similar to human fingerprints. Chickens experience REM sleep, which is a sign that they might dream just like humans and other animals that have REM sleep.
Dogs were domesticated around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. They are believed to have evolved from wolves, with early humans selectively breeding them for traits such as companionship, herding, and hunting. They can read facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice to gauge how their owners are feeling.
Donkeys are smaller than horses, standing around 3 to 4 feet tall at the shoulder. They are compact and sturdy animals with strong legs and a thick coat that helps protect them in harsh conditions. The domestic donkey's scientific name is Equus asinus. Donkeys are smaller than horses, standing around 3 to 4 feet tall at the shoulder. They are compact and sturdy animals with strong legs and a thick coat that helps protect them in harsh conditions. Rhinos have thick, protective skin, but it's surprisingly sensitive to sunburn and insect bites. They love rolling in mud to cool off and protect their skin. A rhino's horn is made of keratin, the same material as human hair and nails. Unlike other horned animals, rhino horns are not attached to the skull and grow throughout their lifetime.
Lionesses are fiercely protective mothers. After giving birth, they usually raise their cubs in a secluded area away from the rest of the pride. They nurse their cubs for about 6 to 7 months, but will start introducing them to the rest of the pride earlier.
Horses were domesticated over 5,000 years ago, originally in the steppes of Central Asia. They were used for transportation, farming, and as companions. Horses communicate through body language, facial expressions, vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, snorts, and ear positions. Cats were domesticated about 9,000 years ago, likely in the Near East, where they helped protect food supplies by hunting rodents. A cat's whiskers are highly sensitive and help them navigate their surroundings, detect objects, and measure spaces. Cats have a range of vocalizations, including meows, purrs, hisses, growls, and chirps. Most bears are omnivores, eating plants, fruits, nuts, insects, fish, and small animals. Exceptions include the polar bear, which is mostly carnivorous, and the giant panda, which primarily eats bamboo. Many bears are strong swimmers and climbers. Polar bears can swim for miles in icy waters, while black bears are adept climbers. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, 97 to 113 kilometers per hour, in short bursts, usually around 20 to 30 seconds. This incredible speed allows them to catch prey in open grasslands. Camels are famous for their ability to survive without water for long periods. They can go for several days without drinking by conserving moisture in their bodies. When they do drink, they can consume up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one sitting, rehydrating rapidly. Camels are incredibly well adapted to hot, arid climates. White tigers are not a distinct species, but a rare color variant of Bengal tigers. Their white coat is due to a genetic condition called leucism, caused by a recessive gene. White tigers have a striking white coat with black or dark brown stripes, blue eyes, and a pink nose. They lack the orange pigmentation of typical Bengal tigers. Goats are known for their curious nature. They are highly intelligent animals and are capable of learning tasks, solving problems, and even navigating complex environments. They can be trained to follow commands, walk on a leash, and perform tricks. Hamsters have expandable cheek pouches that they use to store food. These pouches can extend all the way back to their shoulders. Hamsters are very active and need a wheel or plenty of space to run. In the wild, they can travel several miles a night in search of food. Hamsters have expandable cheek pouches that they use to store food. These pouches can extend all the way back to their shoulders. Zebras are social animals that live in groups called harems or herds. A typical harem consists of one male and several females with their young. Herds can include up to 20 individuals, but larger groups may form for protection against predators. Zebras are herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, and shrubs. Bulls are generally much larger and stronger than cows. They have a muscular build with well-developed necks and shoulders, which help them in activities such as mating, protecting territory, and competing with other bulls. Bulls are often considered to have a more aggressive temperament compared to cows. Tigers are the largest of the big cats. The tiger's scientific name is Panthera tigris. It belongs to the big cat family, Felidae, and is the largest species in this family. Adult male tigers can weigh between 400 to 675 pounds, 180 to 306 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters long.
Reindeer are the only deer species where both males and females grow antlers. Male antlers are typically larger and are shed after mating season in late autumn. while females keep theirs through the winter. Reindeer are well adapted to cold climates. Their thick double-layered fur helps them survive extreme temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius, -58 degrees Fahrenheit.
Sheep were domesticated around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East, likely from wild mouflon sheep. They have been an important source of food, clothing, wool, and labor for humans ever since. Sheep are known for their wool, which is used to make clothing, blankets, and textiles. Sheep were domesticated around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East, likely from wild mouflon sheep. They have been an important source of food, clothing, wool, and labor for humans ever since.
Will the farm animals' teamwork and ingenuity outsmart the raw power and cunning of the jungle beasts? Packed with humor, adventure, and jaw-dropping moments, this ultimate clash is a wild ride you won't want to miss. Perfect for animal lovers and adventure seekers alike, this showdown proves that when it comes to survival, there are no rules in the sandbox.